So the next model is, that is model 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 sin A sin B. So these are the models. So this is a substitution method. Okay. So in this method, so first basic formulas are needed. Basic formulas are needed. Okay. So here the model is 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A cos B, and 2 sin A sin B. The basic formulas are needed. So what is the basic formula? Suppose if you write 2 sin A cos B, that is nothing but 2 sin A cos B, nothing but the basic, it can be transformed into sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. And here the sin is a odd function. If it is a odd, the odd is nothing but 1. If I take it, there is one sin involved, one cos is involved. If it is a plus, the first term is a sin is exist. Suppose if 2 cos A sin B, then can be written as sin of A plus B minus of sin of A minus B. So that is, if there is a minus is involved, first you are writing as a cos and next you are writing as a sin. And next, if 2 cos A cos B, if 2 cos A cos B, there means there are two cos functions are involved. So therefore the cos is involved. So because the cos is an even number, so written as a cos A plus B plus of cos of A minus B. So if there is a cos is involved, if the two cos functions are there, then we apply that cos of A plus B plus either 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. If the two sines are involved, 2 sin A sin B, then it can be written as cos of A minus B minus of cos of A plus B. So that is, what is the model? The model is, if there is a 2 sin A cos B or 2 cos A sin B or 2 cos A cos B or 2 sin A sin B. What are the basic formulas needed? If we have 2 sin A cos B, that means one sin and another cos is involved. If there is a sin is a odd function, so that's why there exists one sin and one cos. If there is a one sin is involved, first priority sin is there, so we apply the formula sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Suppose sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is nothing but the formula is 2 cos A sin B. That means one sin another cos. And if there is a minus is there, so first you are writing a cos and next you are writing as a sin. Suppose cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is there. So there are two cos. There is a cos function. The cos is nothing but an even function. That means both cos are exist or both sines are exist. If it is a plus, then both cos are exist. If it is a minus, then both sines are exist. So here the problem is integration of sin 2x into cos 3x into dx. So it is nothing but so what is the formula? It is nothing but 2 sin A cos B. This is nothing but 2 sin A cos B. So 2 sin A cos B. This is nothing but, so we have a form. What is the form? 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B nothing but sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So therefore it is nothing but 2 sin A cos B is nothing but sin of A plus B plus of sin of A minus B. But in the given question there is no 2. So that's why we do that multiply and divided by 2. Multiply and divided by 2. So we get 1 by 2 into integral of 2 sin 2x cos 3x into dx. So if we compare that, a is equal to 2x and b equal to 3x. That is a equal to 2x and b equal to 3x. You written as a formula integral of, that is sin a plus b. If I am taking as a 1, sin of a plus b nothing but sin 2x plus 3x plus sin of a minus b nothing but 2x minus 3x into dx. So this is nothing but a 1 by 2 into integral of sin 5x plus sin of minus x into dx. So therefore separate the two values, that is 1 by 2 into integration of sin 5x into dx minus integration of sin x into dx. Because sin is an odd function, sin of minus x equal to minus sin x, that is sin of minus x equal to minus sin x. So therefore it is 1 by 2 into integration of sin minus cos 5x by 5 and minus of minus cos x. So therefore we get that cos x by 2 minus cos 5x by 10 plus c. Don't confuse, this is a sin 2x, not sin square x. This is nothing but a cos 3x, not cos cubed x. Okay. So in this model, so what we do that? We do that integration of sin 2x into cos 3x into dx. So this form is 2 sin a cos b. So that is a equal to 2x and b equal to 3x. So if there is 2 sin a cos b, so what is the formula? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Here we do not have a 2. So for getting a 2, we do that multiply and divided by 2. So that is nothing but 2 sin 2x into cos 3x. The a is equal to 2x and b equal to 3x. So therefore sin of a plus b nothing but sin a plus b from 1. Here this is from 1 plus sin a minus b, and sin of minus x is nothing but a minus sin x, because sin is a odd function. Integration of sin nothing but a minus cos 5x by 5 and integration of minus sin minus cos x, and we simplify this one, we get cos x by 2 minus cos 5x by 10. 2 into 5, that is nothing but